As dawn breaks over Sajek, a tranquil mountain village nestled in the hills of Bangladesh, a mystical scene unfolds. The village lies cloaked in a soft blanket of mist, its contours barely visible through the dense morning fog. Gradually, the first rays of sunlight pierce through the haze, illuminating the landscape with a gentle glow. The air is crisp and still, save for the delicate rustling of leaves as a soft breeze meanders through the trees. This is a moment of pure serenity, a peaceful beginning to a new day in Sajek. Time seems to slow here, inviting the soul to linger and absorb the quiet beauty of the morning. As the mist begins to lift, hints of lush greenery emerge, promising the discovery of more wonders as the day unfolds. Each morning, nature unveils a masterpiece, and in Sajek, Bangladesh, the details are mesmerizing. Look closely and you'll see dewdrops delicately balanced on emerald leaves, each one catching the first rays of sunlight like tiny jewels. Flowers bloom gently, their petals kissed by the morning light. Sunlight streams through the foliage, casting a warm glow that dances on the greenery. The gentle breeze sets the plants into a rhythmic sway, a quiet symphony of movement and life. In these moments, nature tells a story, a tale of serenity and renewal, written in every droplet and every ray of light. It's a reminder of the peaceful beauty surrounding us, waiting to be noticed. As the day progresses, this intricate dance continues, setting the stage for the vibrant life that will soon unfold. This is the essence of a morning in Sajek. Life in Sajek begins with a gentle embrace of nature. As dawn breaks, a soft haze blankets the village, and the first wisps of smoke rise from morning fires, marking the start of another tranquil day. The villagers awaken in harmony with their surroundings, their lives moving at the serene rhythm of the hills. Children's laughter echoes softly through the misty air, their playful footsteps blending seamlessly into the peaceful atmosphere. The village is alive yet calm, a perfect balance between activity and stillness. Morning in Sajek is not just a time of day, it's a symphony of life and nature, interwoven beautifully as if choreographed by the mountains themselves. This harmonious existence invites us to pause and reflect on the simplicity and beauty found in life's quiet moments. As the mist begins to lift, the scene unfolds into a picture of pure serenity, paving the way for the next chapter in this tranquil story. As the morning unfolds in Sajek, the mist begins its gentle retreat, unveiling a world of breathtaking beauty. Lush green hills stretch endlessly, their vibrant hues now touched by the golden light of dawn. The air is still yet alive with the quiet whispers of nature waking. Slowly, sunlight spreads across the landscape, casting a soft glow that dances on the hillsides. It's a moment of pure serenity where the harmony of light and shadow paints an ever-changing masterpiece. Here in this tranquil expanse, one can truly feel the grandeur of nature, untouched and timeless. As the morning matures, Sajek reveals its tranquil soul. The once mist-shrouded village now glistens under the golden embrace of sunlight, each ray breathing life into the serene landscape. The lush green hills stretch endlessly, their beauty magnified by the clarity of the day. A gentle breeze carries whispers of peace, harmonizing with the stillness that envelops the village. In this moment, time seems to pause, allowing the splendor of nature to resonate deeply. Taking one last look at this radiant scene, we are reminded of the simple yet profound beauty that exists in places untouched by haste. Sajek, bathed in sunlight, leaves an indelible mark, a testament to the wonder of a peaceful morning in Bangladesh. And with that, we bid farewell to this haven of serenity, carrying its calm essence with us.